What you doing?
Ah, hi. Well, we have to wash everything. All this is
Are we degreasing? We're
Super
degreasing
greasy.
our fan filter.
yeah, functioning restaurant have to be dirty, so that's why we have to clean it really well.
Which is a good sign they were using it.
Rice, grease all over.
Are you getting excited about our big opening in a couple weeks?
Yeah, of course.
It's gonna be awesome. We've been killing ourselves. Look at this.
Yeah.
Look at this. Look at this fucking stove. Fryer. This is crazy.
You know what's fryer in Hebrew
What is fryer in Hebrew, baby?
or in Yiddish?
What is fryer in Yiddish?
It's somebody that you can use, and like somebody that is stupid and doesn't understand, and you can like use them.
Crazy.
So that's called fryer, but it's funny in English fryer.
It is funny. This has been my station. We've been cleaning all
Fryer,
this.
Fryer.
Pretty much deep cleaning everything in this kitchen. This has been my station probably all day. All fucking day doing this.
So, yeah, you see, it was like shitty everything and become clean. So now we can open the restaurant and now the food. Well, we need to clean everything first and then put everything together. Well, hard work pays back, you know. So harder you do it, harder you work, faster you make things. You don't have to work too hard, just work smart.
All right. Come see us in Marietta. We're working really hard to get everything together, and it's going to be incredible. This place is magic. We love you guys. We can't wait to see you. We'll be zipping back and forth between Cleveland because we still got our spot there. We're going to keep it, but we're here, man. So come see us. We love you. Ciao, baby.
Bye.
Bye.